Hey man, say man, it's your boy Ryan, man. We back with the S550. We're about to chrome delete it. I got the stuff right here from Amazon. My boy's about to help me. And then we're gonna do like, take all the chrome right here. And then maybe on the handles too, or keep those. But for sure this part. And then, let me see. And then this part too. We're thinking about doing the windshield tint as well, but maybe another day. You gotta take out like this top layer. Like that. And the back side is the sticky side. We're just gonna line it up. Alright, this is how it looks like. I'm not gonna lie, from far, looks kind of good. But from up close, it's not the best. You can kind of see like some spots over there. So this is how the before looks. From the sides. I kind of like the chrome on the sides, so I might just keep that. We tinted the doors too, so they're hella dark. That's how the back looks. Now we're about to do this side. You can't even see nothing. Alright, so we did this side. And now we just gotta take apart the clear part.
You got the pink one?
Alright, now that's that's how it looks. I kinda look how it looks like. Just half is done. And the other half is like still on there.
1 day later.
Alright, so it's kinda like the next day. We just did half of it, the bottom half. Cause we gotta heat shrink like the top half, and I didn't have my heat gun on me or access to an outlet. So I found an outlet. But I think I'm gonna do the windshield tint. I have like 35%. I'm just gonna tint it all out right here. It looks like it's got tint, but it doesn't. It's just a laminated glass. I'm still trying to decide whether or not I like this side, or it's like all chrome around, or whether just to leave like the bottom half. I kind of like how that looks. But right now, I'm gonna do the windshield tint, 35%, and then it should be ceramic as well. Finished wiping everything down from the outside, and then from the inside, I moved my dash cam. I put it up there just for now. I'm gonna put it back. So now we gotta get the tint laid out here, cut it out, and then heat shrink it with that. We laid out the tint on top of the windshield. I finished tracing out the excess, so now it's like smaller a little bit, so that's good. I think I'm gonna start heat shrinking it now, and then once it's all done, then I'll trace it out exactly to shape. I'm still heat shrinking it with the heat gun, but I cut it all out, and it's on the outside right now, so I just gotta finish heat shrinking it, get all the bubbles out. It's kind of ass, I'm not gonna lie, there's like hella creases. I don't think that matters too much. I might redo it in like a month or two, but hopefully it'll lay down smoothly when I do on the inside. And right here too, there's low-key a shit ton of creases. I'm gonna try to fix that. But from far, it looks good. And that's how it looks on the inside. So yeah, pretty good. Now I gotta spray a bunch of this stuff on the inside. It's a slip solution, the tint solution. So it'll help me like slide around the tint when I put it on there, so it won't wrinkle on itself. And the tint's actually on the outside right now. It's because I had to heat shrink it and pre-cut it and to cut it. So now I'm just gonna spray this on the inside and then put the tint in there too. I'm peeling the outside layer off so I can put the solution on here too. Oh, that's a nice car. So hopefully this comes off nicely. And it looks like it is. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. Actually, there's some spots where it looks ass. Just gotta fix this spot right here, that up there, and that in the middle. And then we'll be good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Can't see nothing. And this is how it looks with the windows down. It's still pretty dark, which I don't know if I like that much. Just because if I see cops, I usually put the windows down to try to make this more see-through so they don't think I got windshield tint. But I guess it's fine. That's how it looks. 35% on the windshield, and then no tint. Yeah. And then now we're in direct sunlight. I think you can for sure tell it's tinted because I see it in person better. Yeah, it's pretty dark. And then we'll put the windows up to see how that looks like. You can still see the driver's seat a little bit. It's still pretty dark. That's interesting. I think I'm gonna have to tint the sunroof so it's less see-through. One more look in direct sunlight. Yeah, it's still kind of see-through. I just hate these cracks that are showing through because I didn't do a good job. But I mean, it's better than no tint. And you can definitely see it more in person, like right here. So I'm gonna for sure have to redo this in like a month or something. But for now, this will do.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.